everyone! Welcome back to the Golden Corner of English Massive. With me, Miss Lia. In this video, we are gonna talk about two commonly used prepositions, since and for. In daily conversation, we often heard the word since and for, such as I've been here since 3 hours, or I've been living here for 2010. Do you know how to correctly use since and for in sentences? What are the differences between since and for? What are their functions? Let's talk about it. But before we start to learn about it, better you prepare your pencil or your notebook for writing some important parts, because we will have an exercise in the end of this video. Check this out! Okay, for the first, let us learn about the functions of since and for. We use for preposition in English for talking about the duration or how long something lasts. The amount of the time could be seconds, minutes, hours, days, etc. It doesn't need to be exact because it is used to specify a period of time. For the example, she's been living here for 5 years. Or, it's been raining for 2 hours. On the other hand, we use since to refer to a point of time. It can be a point after specific time or even in the past, or a particular point that began in the past and continue until present time. For the example, she's been living here since 5 years ago. Or, it's been raining since 2 hours ago. Wow, that is amazing, right? For the differences between since and for, let's check to the table. Since is followed by a specific moment in time, while for is followed by a period or duration of time. We can look to the formula. Since plus a particular point in time, for the example, since 2010, or since 2 days ago. Meanwhile, in the formula, we can see for plus a period of time, for the example, for 2 hours, for 3 months, etc. When do we use since and for? Okay, we use since with a point in time in the past, while we use for with a period of time in the past, present, and future. We already talked about since and for. Now, time for review session. Do you still remember what is the main point of since and for use? Okay, you are right. The main point is we use since to refer to a point of time, while we use for talking about the duration of time. Now, can you complete the sentences using since and for? Okay everyone, that's all about since and for. Now your turn. Create your own sentences using since and for in the comment section, yeah? Thank you for having me in this session. Stay healthy, stay happy. See you next time and bye-bye!